Why is everything scattered like this? Spreadsheets here, old report there. This key for work no be beans at all. 3 hours with all this data.
I've analyzed your Q4 files across Excel, Teams, and OneDrive. Retention is dropping significantly in Lagos, Abuja, and Jos. Would you like recommended counter strategies?
Wait, you already pulled everything together? Wow.
Yes, and identified the root causes behind the decline.
Show me the full breakdown, please. I want to understand the why.
Top drivers include 1. Increased onboarding friction. 2. Slower support response times. 3. Feature drop-off after week 2. Here are targeted interventions.
And to think I almost spent the whole day digging for this.
I've also prepared an insight-led proposal for your strategy call. Ready to review?
Open it. I analyzed our queue for customer retention. Abuja and Jos dropped because of onboarding friction. If we shift part of our Q1 budget into micro onboarding and early adoption triggers, we can reverse the decline by February.
This is excellent clarity, Chika. How did you get this insight so quickly?
I have been working with Copilot to connect the dots.
This is the direction we need. I fully support the recommendation.
Q1 strategy approved. Next review, Monday, 10 a.m.
Let's go.
Microsoft 365 Copilot, from insight to impact.
Chika is learning that productivity isn't just about doing more. It's about living better. Episode 5 shows how Microsoft's Copilot helps her find balance, clarity, and calm in the middle of chaos. Stay tuned. Think ahead. Think ahead, decide better. Ha-Shem brings you the power of Microsoft 365 Copilot, built to transform how modern teams work, lead, and deliver results.